If the wind catches me, then I fly. Rain catches me, then I fall. Life is a wave that we ride on. Sounds to me like a song. Why not sing along? Been walking in a circle, looking for a place to call home, for a reason bigger than my own. Go on, there's no destination, this is it. Where you are is where you're supposed to be. So all I could do is breathe, take a step and see. If the wind catches me, then I fly. Rain catches me, then I fall. Life is a wave that we ride on. Sounds to me like a song. Why not sing along? High is no better than low. Fast is no better than slow. Freedom is simply seeing nothing is under control. Gotta learn to let go. I wish we would listen, hear the answers to our questions, like where to find our strength, how to ease the pain. I know it'll happen when it happens now.